I do have a video of this system, but before we launch the video, I'll give you a little bit of a little bit insight here. So this was another interesting COVID-related system that I'll get into that aspect of it here in a moment. But what's great about this video is it shows some really good footage of the critical components of the Symphoni system that Peng was mentioning. So such as the RSM, or the Rapid Speed Matching Assembly. It looks a lot like a continuous motion component. It's kind of how it came to be. However, we've taken away some of the issues that are related to continuous motion, in particular, the scraping of parts against guides during the assembly process. So something that's nice and shiny like this this lip gloss here would be damaged or have the potential to leave witness marks on those decorative caps. We've eliminated that issue with Symphoni by drawing parts into the RSM and holding them securely and getting them into the assembly process without scraping them along guides and such. So I'm going to play the video here. I believe there's some music on this one, so I'm not going to talk over the music. Once that video is complete, I'll give you a little bit of insight, the interesting story behind this system as it relates to COVID. Great. So as you, excuse me, as you saw there, what we often do for demo systems like this or for videos is we'll run the system at at its normal production rate and then slow it down so that you can really see what's happening. So we have that capability to basically it's electronically cammed, so we can slow down that heartbeat of the system to show what's going on, because they're often going so fast you can't really tell. It's faster than you can follow. But as the system relates to COVID, this is a plunger assembly for a syringe that was used for vaccine delivery. And if you can go back a year or so to the early days of vaccine deployment, vaccine production was still rather limited, and maximizing what could be produced was very critical. So this particular syringe has less waste than a traditional syringe. So there's some inherent dead space in most syringes. This one had much less. So it actually resulted in being able to get one more dose out of each vaccine vial, which really helped expand the vaccine deployment. So again, being COVID related and vaccine related, delivery or time to production was very critical. This system was actually able to provide plungers to our downstream automation. So we had more equipment that was downstream of this particular station in 20 weeks after launch. And that's possible because of, like Peng was saying, the modular and standard nature of the Symphoni system. Some fast facts here again about that system: 360 parts per minute, 3 times the speed of the machines that were making a very similar product to this. And this very nice figure here, our machine OEE at SAT or site acceptance testing was 98.55%. So again, the benefits: rapid deployment. This is, of course, a reconfigurable asset. So knowing that this might be a temporary deployment, our customer knows that they can easily retool this system for other products if needed. It was also a 50% reduction in floor space compared to a traditional automation solution to this assembly process.